Whether you're trying to save more money or eat a little bit healthier, keeping New Year's resolutions is hard. But we've got some ways to help you get to that New Year, New You. Here to help us stick to those resolutions is psychiatrist Dr. Ricardo Whyte. Doctor, thank you so much for being with us today. We appreciate it. Hope you've got some answers that we can stick to. First off, why do people struggle with keeping resolutions?
Three reasons, Leslie. Unrealistic goals. So a 2014 report found that 35% of participants who fail their resolutions attributed it to setting unrealistic goals. The other thing is a lack of specificity. So vague resolutions such as, hey, let me be healthier, or will at times lack clear actionable steps, which will make it harder for you to actually follow through. And then last but not least, absence of accountability. So if you fail to get a good accountability partner, that can also at times be a missed opportunity to help you when the times get tough.
That makes a lot of sense. Doctor, how can we frame resolutions then to set ourselves up for the best chance of success? What do we do?
So what you want to do is you want to prioritize routine over intensity. So I love the quote that the chains of habit start so light they're not noticed until they're so heavy they can't be broken. So focus on routine. Then also specificity. Make sure that it's measurable. And then most important of all, Leslie, have some patience with yourself. Don't be unrealistic with your expectations that you're going to get that, that summer bod in one day. Give yourself some time.
What are some of the effective ways to keep yourself accountable and to stay motivated?
Here's the thing. Don't over-identify with the results or the setbacks. And I would say also make sure that you journal about your desired outcome because visualization is so key. And that, of course, can be a key part of helping you through the difficult moments. And then, of course, get that accountability partner and do a good job there so that they are not a liability, but they're actually an asset.
Okay, so those are great tips. So we do all that and we still fail. So what if we fall off the wagon? What are some of the best strategies for getting back on track?
View the setback non-judgmentally. So what you want to do is take the setback as feedback so that you can then adjust your planning. Also, don't forget to celebrate your efforts. So if you're not paying attention to the progress, when you get a setback, you're going to forget that, look, I've actually had some gains. And then a big thing is revisit your why. Remember why you started this journey. So as you revisit your why, that can remind you, get back on track.
You know what? That reminds me of what they say, a setback is just a setup for a comeback.
I like that, Leslie. I like that a lot.
Hey, also, what might be some good resolutions for taking care of your mental health this year?
Leslie, I find it so important to identify what you can control so that you're not wasting effort on what you can't control. That can be a very important thing. And so sometimes get the professional help that you might need so that you can actually identify what is it that I can control so I can divert energy to that rather than wasting energy on what I can't control.
Ah, very good. And so, doctor, for you personally, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
I am back to my 5 push-ups and 5 sit-ups.
A
And the
year?
good news is, well, no. You're funny. A day, Leslie, a
Oh, okay, a
day.
day.
And then once I get down on the ground, I can't possibly stop at 5. So it kind of helps me get over the resistance and stick to my New Year's.
That is good. We have to do a lot of mental gymnastics, but that's okay. Dr. Ricardo Whyte,
Well
thank
said.
you so much for joining us. Have a great day.